Chapter 7.4 Siemens KNX Touch Control TC5 Preparation in the ETS. I insert a new TC5 from the catalog into my prepared project. In the parameters, I first define in the general part that I want to use the external temperature sensor of the AQR. If this fails, the internal sensor should be available as a substitute. For the internal sensor, I set an offset of -2 Kelvin. Furthermore, I then specify that I want to use both main pages. On each of them, initially 4 submenus or page views. Home page 1 is renamed to Floor, Home page 2 to Information. Don't forget, the main page 2 must be activated. To be able to see it on the display as well, at least one function page, here the 9, has to be enabled. To test it, I download it right away. You can see the result here: main page 1, and main page 2, page 9.